Welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. How to fix a not working Ohmeter multitester? Have you ever experienced an Ohmeter you don't work when you measure a resistance? And what are you going to do about this? This resistor is worth 4.7 ohm. After doing this tool, it doesn't work. To run this tool, when take a screwdriver plus, which is big enough, then open it on the back cover. Lift the back cover with your left hand. All the equipment and circuit of this multitester have been seen, and it is very clear that a fuse rate at 0.5 amperes looks like black, and the value of this fuse is clearly visible after I zoom in on this video. I try to compare it with a new fuse, but the result was different from the color. And I will show you where is the value of the fuse on the PCB. Place the new fuse on top of the fuse housing and then press down suspiciously. Then install the two batteries. You have to be careful. Pay attention to the polarity of the battery. Which one is a plus and which one is the minus. Then measure the resistance value of the 4.7 ohm resistor. It turned out that this tool is working again, but the value is difficult to calibrate because the battery voltage in the multitester is already at its lowest. And reinstall the ball with the plus screwdriver, and it looks like it is working again. And you may want to re-measure the value of this resistor, and after that you may tidy up this tool by attaching the two caps and then store it properly. And you can also use this measuring tool use voltage by plugging the two multitester leads into the socket outlet. Please like, subscribe if you like this video, and wait for my next video. And thank you for your time for watching this video.